Ya kayun.
Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. AAP wins MCD election in Delhi with absolute majority. State government to sue TMC national spokesperson Saket Gokhale. MDA worked for people despite criticisms, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. And JHADC delegation visits Mukra, says the villages within the jurisdiction of the council. The news in detail. Aam Aadmi Party has won absolute majority in the elections to the Municipal Corporation of Delhi. As per the trends, AAP has won 134 seats, BJP 104, Congress 9 and Independents 3 in the 250-member MCD till last reports came in. Counting started at 8 a.m. under tight security. For several hours, fortune swung between BJP and AAP, with Congress nowhere in the picture. For a while, BJP even topped the leads tally. Elections to the 250-ward Municipal Corporation of Delhi were held on the 4th of December with only over 50% turnout. The state government has decided to file a defamation suit against Trinamool Congress spokesperson Saket Gokhale for accusing an IAS officer of misusing $79.05 million or rupees 632 crore in the Meghalaya Ecotourism Infrastructure Development Project. The government rejected the TMC leader's allegations made on Monday. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that allegations should be substantiated with documents. Giving details of the MEIDP, Tinsong said that the government received a sanction of rupees 731 crore for implementing different segments of the project from 2022 to 2026. He also informed that the government had to create a special purpose vehicle or subsidiary under the name of Meghalayan Age Limited according to the guidelines of the bank. It may be mentioned that Gujarat police have detained Saket Gokhale over a tweet endorsing an alleged fake news about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Morbi after a bridge collapse incident there.
From our side, we have no more questions. Let me just tell you about this project. Externally aided project. Because see, the allegation should be substantiated with a document, but this man, it seems, he just know from here and then and ultimately put it to public domain and just bring out the allegation in the form of statement, which is totally wrong, and we have no more patience.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has asserted that the MDA has moved forward with courage and determination to work for the interest of the people despite receiving bouquets and brickbats in the last 4 years due to various pressing issues such as COVID-19 pandemic, Citizenship Amendment Act, Inner Line Permit and relocation of Harijans. The Deputy Chief Minister was in West Khasi Hills for the inauguration of the Office of the Executive Engineer, Maushin Road PWD Roads Division, Shillong PWD Road Subdivision, and the construction and upgrade of a 12-kilometer road from Tha Yem to Mao Sirtap.
Ni na kalian ke sarkari don hangne na kebenta ban syakri di fight ba aboro anrel prokeli ke sersi ada snow kena sibone ban ngayo iru ya gatmat po samke jompi di fight ba tengah kermen shem bahkan ni kalau ke jings dan jom ke jingkela na kebenta kalawei ba pernai.
JHADC's Executive Committee, under the leadership of Chief Executive Member Thombor Shiwat, yesterday visited Mukro village. The delegation verified the land which falls under JHADC jurisdiction with the help of documents available with the Darbar Shnong Mukro. The JHADC CEM said that the village is well within the jurisdiction of JHADC and they will defend the territory of Mukro at all costs. The JHADC Executive Committee also demanded the setting up of the Meghalaya Police Border Outpost at Mutha Siang, Kwai, Mukro.
Every year, today we came not for the dispute between these two states. Today we came here for to identify only the area of the Mukro village only. We don't want to touch the dispute between the state of Assam and Meghalaya.
The MLA of Sora constituency, Gavin M. Milliam, on Tuesday inaugurated a road and government LP school at Dimpep village. Speaking on the occasion, Gavin said that the school infrastructure had remained the same for ages and hence he took up the work to upgrade the project. Informing that as many as 9 schools in Sora will be renovated, the MLA also stressed on the need to provide quality education to the students. He also thanked the Rangba Shnongs for cooperating in the construction of the road in the village. With the onset of Christmas season, YMCA Shillong today organized a pre-Christmas carol service in Shillong. During the service, carols were held as people enjoyed dancing and singing on the festive occasion. President of Shillong YMCA, Reverend Bishop Pioli Lingdo, said that in the last 2 years, students were unable to celebrate Christmas due to different reasons, but they are happy that this year the YMCA is celebrating the occasion. He also asked people to share the message of Christmas to all, which is joy, peace, love, and blessing.
Glory to God, peace and good will. I look on my way, and he will I keep the
And a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 19.1 degrees Celsius, the minimum 8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 30%, while that in the evening rose to 69%. The forecast, weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. AAP wins MCD election in Delhi with absolute majority. State government to sue TMC national spokesperson Sakit Gokhale. MDA worked for people despite criticisms, says Deputy Chief Minister Priston Tinsong. And JHADC delegation visits Mukro, says the village is within the jurisdiction of the council. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.
Like it is the real thing. Because one day, at a second's notice, it will be.